Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. So today I am going to create a mind-blowing AI. I'm going to show you a mind-blowing AI feature that you have never seen. Now, recently, some weeks ago, Google VEO was announced by Google and it became the talk of the internet. Everywhere on the internet became viral. So now, today I want to show you another AI tool that outsmart, that really outsmart Google VEO by Google. Now today I'm going to show you this. I have tried this tool and I have also seen some people using this tool, and mind what, guys, this tool is actually free. As this time I'm making this video, it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything. Very free. I think it's in their testing mode or something, but I want to let you know that this particular feature completely outsmart Google VEO. Google VEO is very good. As you can see, look at some of the videos are generated with Google VEO and it's mind-blowing. But meanwhile, I want to show you another mind-blowing AI tool that completely outsmart Google VEO 3. Now let me show you. Without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so today I'm going to show you to this AI tool, and this AI tool is called LM Arena. Yeah, LM Arena is a mind-blowing AI tool that we are going to be using today. And it's not just about LM Arena. There is a special feature on this LM Arena that is called so as you can see, LM Arena is actually good. You can actually it's just like you can combine multiple AI features like Nano Banana, different AI features. You can see them. We have AI models like Nano Banana, we have Imagen 4, we have Flux 1 Context, we have Imagen, we have Recraft, we have Photon, we have DAL, we have Lucid Origin. You can see these are mind-blowing image generator that you can actually use in this 2025. And mind you guys, you can do all of this completely free, no limits. You can completely do it and completely free. Okay guys, now without wasting time, first of all, let's start the process. Now here I am in LM Arena, and because I've already logged into my account. So if you don't done that yet, you can actually do that by just clicking and go to LM Arena on Google. When you go to lmarena.ai, when you open lmarena.ai, it's going to sign you. You're going to ask you to sign in. So me, I'm already signed in. As you can see now, this is the face. You can see this is our project I've already worked on. So now guys, let's say find the best AI for you. Now here is the gun. We are going to get started without wasting time. All right, so now first of all, we want to use Nano Banana to generate an image, or let's say to transform an image to something. Now first of all, we're going to click on the battle. You see battle with two anonymous models. Now compare two models of your choice and then chat with one model at a time. Now let's move on to chat with one model at a time, because we want Nano Banana. We want to use Nano Banana, so we're actually going to click on the image. You see generate image, click on the image. Now I want to get a sample that I want us to use. Now we are going to get the image first, and then we are going to use the LM of the feature to transform that into a video. Now let's generate the image. First of all, let me get my image first. Okay, so I'm going to use this beautiful image. Let me move on to, okay guys, give me a moment. Let me select my image. I'm going to use this image right here. Okay, I'm going to use this image. So now I'm going to tell Nano Banana to convert it into a medieval warrior. Let's say make him wear a full body golden armor, golden color armor with shield and sword. Okay, now let's wait for Nano Banana to transform our image. Now we wait for Nano Banana to do that. Okay, let's give it a moment. As you can see guys, nano banana has been selected at the top. You can see that, so that's it. Okay, so guys, it's generating our image already. Now let's wait for it to be done. Wow guys, look at this. This is mind-blowing. Wow, can you see? Guys, this is amazing. This is beautiful. So with just a single prompt, we already convert our image to a mind-blowing. You can see it's a medieval army, full body armor, everything complete, guys. This is crazy. So now we've already generated this. Now here I am. Today I'm going to tell you the main AI feature that you can use to animate any image. You can actually, even without image, you can use it. Now the essence of this video, if you are still watching to this point, then now here is the main thing that made you click on this video, which is I'm going to show you this AI feature that we can use to animate this image, and it's mind-blowing. Now let's get started. Now here you can see when you click on the LM Arena, they're going to see join Discord. Can you see that? Join Discord. So you're going to click on join Discord, then you're going to join Discord. Once you join Discord, I'm going to register with them, and because I've already registered, I'm going to just open my Discord account because I already registered with them. So now let's move on to Discord. So now we are going to use LM Arena in Discord, and we are going to use a model that we can use. This model is mind-blowing, guys. Just give me a moment. Okay guys, so once you after you join the Discord, you are going to sign up with your email, and once you're ready, you are going to end up in this interface. Now this is where the magic begins. Now when you move on to video arena, can you see the video arena here? Then you move on, you can use any of the video arena, arena 1, arena 2, arena 3. So today I'm going to use the arena 3. Once you click on the arena 3, you can see they say message video arena 3. Now you click on it. Now you're going to put on a slash, type slash on your keyboard, and you're going to see an option, generate video from an image using LM Arena. Now you click on image to video. Now here is the option. You click on this. After clicking on this, then you're going to select the image we just transformed. Now let's get the image we transformed. As you can see, I've not yet downloaded it. Let me download it. Sorry guys, give me a moment, let me download it. Okay guys, let's select our image. Now I'm going to use the image I just transformed using Nano Banana. Now let's move on to my download session, and I'm going to click that. Okay, now here is our image. Now you're going to bring it down here, and then we are going to make a prompt. Now we want to animate this animate the character. So you're going to type, when you come down here, you can see the option for prompt. Then you click on the prompt, then you're going to type. Now we're going to say make him. Give me a moment, let me type that. Okay guys, I've already written a simple prompt. Now after you've done written a prompt, now you click on enter, then you wait for your video to be ready. Now let's wait for our video to be ready. First of all, once you click on enter, you can see now say generating video. Now let's give it a moment. Okay guys, our video is fully ready. Now let's see the magic. Now you click on view videos, so it's going to take you directly. As you can see, 2 videos have been generated. Now look at the first one. Let's click on this one and see what we've got. Guys, wow, this is crazy guys. Yeah, you can see this is so beautiful. As you can see, there's actually a logo here. So what you can do is just to click the main thing here is 7 seconds long. Then you can just cut out part when you are editing using CapCut or any other video editing software. Now let's look at the first video it generated, and let's see what we've got. As you can see, wow guys, this is beautiful. Oh my god, this is amazing guys. This is very good. I think I see this outsmart Google VEO. Now the only difference here is that the voicing, this does not generate sound. So what you're going to do is that you are going to lip sync after this. You can just download your video. After downloading your video, then during your editing you can add voiceover, and that's all. Yeah, add voiceover and lip sync, and you got it. Okay guys, so like I said, with this massive AI, so you can see a lot of people are generating videos using this feature. As you can see, like right now, this is completely free, and it has a limit of about 5 videos per day. I mean, you can generate two videos 5 times in a day. I think more than that in a day. I don't really know, but as I can speak now. I don't know how this thing is going to be free. I don't know if it's going to be free forever, but I could say that this is very, very good. So try this out, and you will stop paying too much for Google VEO. As you can see, this is mind blowing. Okay guys, if you love this video, if you enjoy what you just watched, please consider subscribing to my channel and then get ready for another episode, another mind-blowing AI feature. On this channel, I always bring out new AI tools to help you in your creativity. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.